call me on the telephone, you feel so far away. You tell me to come over, there's some games you wanna play. I'm walking to your house, nobody's home, just me and you and you and me alone. We're just playing hide and seek.
Hello, welcome to our research presentation video. The title of this research is Perception, Moral Values, and Social Media, a study on communication ethics establishment of Gen Z. This research is written by Farhana Aristrifani Sofyan, Siti Nahdia, and Nursamsia Asharini. We are from Communication Department, Bina Nusantara University, Jakarta, Indonesia. Okay, are you ready? Okay, we will start that our moral values mostly absorbed by the neighborhood around us. It can be family and friends, television, radio and internet, books and magazine, workplace and school. And the trend in social media, which can be the source of morality that permitted by human. We know that there are several generations nowadays, from baby boomers, Generation X, Generation Y, and Generation Z. Based on the social media used by age, we can see that the age between 18 until 29 is the most age that use social media, and followed by the age 30 until 49 years old. That's why we will focus on Gen Z as the most generation who use social media. But before we explain more about Gen Z, we will make a comparison first about Gen Z and Gen Y. Gen Y, or what we call millennials, are those who known as digital natives, which born between 1982 until 1995. And the technology is part of their everyday lives. All their activities are mediated by screen. The concept of on and off is completely integrated into their lives. However, they were not born into it. They migrated to the digital world from the analog one in which they were living. Somehow, millennial generation is labeled as being lazy, narcissistic, and spoiled. In fact, in 2014, a magazine labeled them as the me generations. Unlike the previous generation, which is Gen X, because of the economic crisis, the world requires them to be better trained to get jobs, as competition is increasing. Unlike their parents, Generation X digital natives are not satisfied with the world around them and are ambitious and want to achieve their goals. Let's come to Gen Z. Gen Z are those aged between 8 and 23 years old. Generation Z, or the post-millennial generation, will take the lead in a few decades, also labeled as centennials, for having been born into the world at the turn of the century. The oldest were born in 1995 and the youngest in 2010. They arrived with a tablet and smartphone under their arms. But what is Generation Z? They are a group of people that is marked by the internet. It is part of their DNA. It storms into their homes, their education, and their way of socializing. And if Generation Y has difficulty finding a job, the situation for post-millennials is even worse. Their mastery of technology may make them neglect their interpersonal relationships to a greater extent, but they are the ones who give more of a voice to a social cause on the internet. They like to get everything they want immediately, a fact fostered by the digital world in which they are immersed. and their lifestyle is also influenced by YouTubers. Based on the explanations about Gen Z and the comparison with Gen Y, does it make the next generations or Gen Z become less sensitive and selfish to virtual world than reality? And how they perceive the moral values? We have two objectives in this research. The first is to figure out what and how the moral values of social media that absorbed by Gen Z. The second is because discover how they apply the moral values that influence their personal identity and perceptions to communications reality surrounding. The method in this research is qualitative approach with constructivism paradigm and using phenomenology. Meanwhile, the primary data in the study conducted using focus group discussions with purpose to select students that actively using social media, especially Gen Z. So here are the results of our research. The first point that we want to answer is moral values from social media that absorbed by Gen Z. It comes to the result that become a creator in social media is a pride for Gen Z. And in a world full of digital, social media is the most used platform by Gen Z. In terms of social media usage, there are two types of Gen Z, as a creator and conversationalist. Creator is for those who effort in creating content to be shared on YouTube, blog, website, Instagram, etc. While conversationalists are those who use social media to interact or chat with others. Gen Z is being very proud to become a creator on social media. Not only increase their self-esteem and self-actualizations, but also as a source of income. And most of Gen Z prefer to be entrepreneur rather than an employee. The second is we talk about word of mouth using social media, which is the best way for Gen Z discovering the quality of certain product or service. It's one of the common things to give review towards their purchasing or certain brand using digital platform. And Gen Z is one generation that actively using e-word. This is how vlogger influencer YouTubers started to rise and mostly are Gen Z. The second point is how Gen Z apply the moral values that influence their personal identity and perception towards communications reality surrounding. We know that social media seems to be the obvious word for Gen Z, as there are lots of information delivered on social media that describing their daily life. They put themselves as an actor with specific image and anonymous audience. The phenomenon shows that their communication not limited to one or two persons that we know, but people out there that they might not acquainted with. Gen Z seeing the reality of social media no longer as illusion or virtual, instead something real. It is shown when Gen Z finds social media not only as a platform for conversation or interaction, but also a media to actualize their self and source of income. No wonder that the most Gen Z become a creator and compete in getting followers or subscribers. When they successfully obtain followers or subscribers in great quantities, it becomes a pride for Gen Z. Most Gen Z think that their obsession is not become a doctor, politician, lawyer, or many, but as YouTuber or digital influencer. So here we come to the conclusions. We have 2 points highlight in here. The first is Gen Z perceive that they become a creator in social media is an encouraging personal identity. Gen Z also opined that word of mouth on social media is a common thing. The second is, as a digital generation, Gen Z look at social media as the real world that become a part of them. They have necessities to update about the trends showing on social media and seeing those who actively on social media as a competitor. Well, that's all from us. Thank you so much for paying attention. Bye-bye.